là mua của nó ra sắp tí à cái chế mua nó tí cái
Thank you.
All right. Ready?
Let's go.
Let's go.
I'm sorry, I thought you were with that group.
No, I was going to say, I was trying to get there to hear the...
Two ways to get there. You're welcome to walk across, or you can ride. If you walk, you are going to get your feet wet. Either way, when you get to the other side, there's a $10 admission charge, and they take cash or credit cards. And the one thing I'm making everybody aware of is we're currently restoring the interior of the lighthouse, so you can't climb to the top of the top.
Okay.
Everything else is open for your enjoyment. If you'd like to go, we're just about ready to leave.
And so pay on the other side.
You pay
I
when you get
want to make sure that these go back.
No. I got no trouble driving.
Yeah.
Ui cho phải có tờ à. Hỏi cho chơi đứa này chơi nào bà.
Island, everybody. First thing that I tell visitors is that you really can't see the lighthouse until we get to the island. When we get to the island, I'll drive up the beach and make a left-hand turn. When I make the left-hand turn, start looking straight ahead, and you'll see the lighthouse for the first time. They built the lighthouse here in 1869, and this is the 153rd year of operations. The Coast Guard is responsible for seeing that the light goes on every night. However, it is fully automated, and there's no longer anyone stationed on the island. This is one of only 3 lighthouses left in the Great Lakes that still has its original lens in operation. The lens came from Paris. It's about 5 feet tall and weighs about 2,000 pounds. It's a brass frame that holds all sorts of glass prisms at very precise angles, and it takes the light from one 250-watt bulb and projects it out on the lake, and on a clear night you can see it up to 18 miles out. Pretty good technology for 1869. The other thing I need to mention is our trip to the island. There's no good way to say this. This will not be the smoothest ride. We're driving on the bottom of the lake and we're going to bounce a little bit. Please don't set your cell phone down on the bench and expect it to be there when we get to the other side. My experience is it won't. Any questions for me before we go? All right. And you're not going?
Nope. Have fun.
I want to leave anybody behind. I'm going to just slide that into the bench there. Thank you.
Thì là chơi nó phải xây lu bỏ chữ nó na hay lu nhiều bỏ chữ mê là tụi mình đây là phải tíไปเดี๋ยวนี้อย่าปลดสีแล้วนะnhưng mẹ sẽ là cái chạy chỉ cả chú đi chẳng nhớ cái chạy lá đi với cái chú vào lo